tricked by an orchid mantis, no bigger than a sugar cube. This sophisticated hunter is one of the world's best disguised predators. With legs and an abdomen that look like petals, she's bigger and more beautiful than the flowers she hides amongst. She's chosen her spot well. The center of a bee highway. Simply irresistible. She strikes twice as fast as you can blink, but success blows her cover. The diner could become dinner herself. But orchid mantises have many talents. Those petal-like legs aren't just for show. When she spreads them, she can glide further than any wingless insect. Safe. But without any flowers, there are no bees here either. To eat, she'll have to make the food come to her. Like a flower, she releases an intoxicating perfume, an artful imitation of the chemicals a bee uses to attract its hive mates. Straight into her clutches. Armed with so many exceptional talents, she can eat almost anywhere.